Mom, are you in the kitchen?
Yes, Lina, I am making breakfast.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, dear. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well.
That's nice to hear.
Mom, can I ask something?
Of course. What do you want?
Can I go to the park today?
The park? Why suddenly?
I want to ride my bicycle.
Oh, you want to ride today?
Yes, the weather is nice.
The sun is bright, too.
Please, Mom, I will be careful.
Did you finish your homework first?
Yes, I finished last night.
And your room? Is it clean?
I cleaned it in the morning.
Very good girl.
So, can I go now?
Wait, eat breakfast first.
Okay, what did you make?
Bread and eggs. And milk.
Yummy, I am very hungry.
Sit properly and eat slowly.
Mom, after eating, I will go fast.
No rushing. Slow and safe.
Okay, slow and safe.
Safety is more important than speed.
Yes, Mom, I understand.
Where is your helmet?
It is near the door.
Wear your helmet first.
Okay, safety first.
Check your brakes.
They are fine.
Check the bell, too.
Ting ting, it works.
Good girl. Ride slowly.
I will be careful.
Don't race with anyone.
Don't worry, Mom.
Come back before noon.
I will.
Okay. Bye, Lina.
Bye, Mom.
Enjoy your ride.
Wow, the wind feels so nice today. I love riding my bicycle. The sun is shining too. Perfect day. Let me go a little faster. Huh? What is that sound? Why is it shaking so much? Oh no, it stopped. I can't move anymore. Let me see. Oh no, the tire looks flat. There is no air in it at all. What should I do now? The park is still very far. Maybe I can push it slowly. Ugh, it is heavy. My arms hurt. My legs hurt. Why today? Why now? I was excited to ride today. My friends might be at the park already. Maybe I should sit for a moment. Let me rest here. Let me rest here. Okay, think. What should I do? I know! I will call Mom. Mom, I don't want to bother her, but I cannot fix it alone. Maybe someone in the street can help? No, they are busy. Okay, I will call Mom. Yes, I need help. Mom, hello?
Hello, Lina. Where are you?
Mom, my bicycle is broken.
Broken? What happened, Lina?
The tire has no air. I cannot ride.
Oh, I see. Don't worry. Stay where you are.
But I feel scared.
It's okay, dear. I am coming.
Please come fast.
I will be there soon. Don't walk too far.
Okay, Mom. I will wait near the small shop. Thank you. I hope she comes quickly.
Lina, are you okay, sweetie?
I am, but I feel a little sad.
It's all right. Sometimes problems happen.
I just wanted to go to the park.
I know, dear. First, let's fix your bicycle.
Okay, Mom.
Look at the tire. Can you see the hole?
Yes, there is a tiny hole.
That's why the air is gone.
Can it be fixed?
Of course. We can take it to the repair shop.
Will it take long?
Maybe 10 minutes.
Can I watch them fix it?
Yes, you will see everything.
Really? I want to learn.
Look, they will put a small patch on the hole.
Oh, it looks like a sticker.
Exactly. After that, we pump air inside.
Will my bicycle ride like before?
Yes, as good as new.
Yay! I am excited!
Let's go slowly to the shop. Hold my hand.
Okay. Thank you, Mom.
Hello! What is the problem?
The tire is flat. Can you check?
Sure, let me see.
Uncle, can you fix it?
Yes, I can. Don't worry. Oh, I see a small hole here.
Ah, that's why it is flat.
I will patch it and fill air.
How long will it take?
Not long, just a few minutes.
Can I watch?
Of course, come closer. This is the air pump,
Wow, it looks very big.
and this is the tube.
It is dirty.
You must clean your bicycle after every ride.
I forgot to clean it.
Check air every week.
Okay, Uncle. I will.
And don't ride too fast.
Yes, I will be careful.
Done! Try now.
Wow, it moves smoothly. Thank you so much.
See? All fixed. I am happy.
How much do we owe you, sir?
That will be 50 rupees for the patch and the air.
Mom, let me give the money to Uncle.
Here you go. Give it politely.
Here is 50 rupees. Thank you for fixing my bicycle.
You're very welcome. You are welcome, little one. Ride safely.
I will. Bye-bye.
Try riding now.
Yay, it feels perfect.
Happy now?
Very happy. I can ride fast again.
What did you learn today, Lina?
I must check my bicycle daily
And keep it clean.
and ride slowly.
Smart girl. You remembered everything.
Thank you for helping me, Mom.
Always, my dear. Today was a small but meaningful day for Lina. She started the morning with excitement and wanted to ride her bicycle to the park. But when the tire went flat, she felt sad and worried for a moment. Still, she did not give up. She asked for help, stayed calm, and learned how to fix the problem. Sometimes things break in life, and plans do not go the way we expect. But every small problem teaches us something useful. Today, Lina learned to take care of her bicycle and to be more careful and responsible. Learning English is just like this. At first, it may feel difficult or slow, but if you practice every day, step by step, you will improve little by little. Simple words, simple sentences, and daily conversations can make a big difference. So listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and speak with confidence. Don't be afraid of mistakes, because mistakes help you grow. This is Beginner English Zone, where we learn English through real life, simple stories, and everyday moments. See you in the next story.